This is honestly one of the biggest problems with AI anime creation right now. Generating a beautiful image is easy. Keeping the same character consistent across multiple images, edits, and videos is where most workflows start to break down. You create a character you love, generate a few great images, and then suddenly the hairstyle changes, the outfit shifts, the facial features look different, and by the time you get to animation, it barely feels like the same character anymore. So, in this video, I want to show you a complete workflow using PixAI that solves exactly that problem. We're going to be starting with a simple text prompt, turn it into an original anime character using Tsubaki Point 2, refine that character with Edit Pro, and then transform the final result into a fully animated video using PixAI's latest image-to-video model. The best part is that everything happens inside a single platform, so you're not constantly exporting files between different tools and hoping everything stays consistent. To show you where we're going, let's start with the finished result. The animated clip that you're seeing on screen began as a single text prompt. The character, the scene, the edits, the motion, and even the voice all came from one workflow inside PixAI. That's important because most creators today aren't struggling to generate a single image. They're struggling to maintain consistency across an entire project. Whether you're building an original character, creating content for social media, working on a visual novel, or experimenting with manga-style storytelling, consistency is usually the hardest part. That's what we'll be focusing on throughout this walkthrough. The first step here is creating the character itself. For this, I'm using Tsubaki Point 2, PixAI's newest flagship anime model. And unlike general-purpose image generators that treat anime as just another art style, Tsubaki Point 2 was specifically built for anime and manga-style illustration. Inside the generator, I can choose Tsubaki 2, enable prompt helper, and select one of those built-in style presets to quickly establish the visual direction that I want. PixAI includes dozens of style presets, which makes experimentation much faster because you don't need to spend half your time trying to force a specific aesthetic through prompt engineering alone. Once the prompt is entered, I generate a few versions and select the strongest result. What immediately stands out is the level of detail. The character design feels cohesive, the clothing layers are well defined, accessories stay distinct, and the overall illusion looks like it was designed as a complete character rather than assembled from random visual elements. Now, one thing that's worth mentioning here is that PixAI isn't just a generation tool. It also has a community remix system where creators can browse public prompts, settings, and generations from other users. So if you're still learning how to write prompts or build specific anime styles, being able to study successful generations and adapt them to your own project is surprisingly useful. Combined with over 4 million monthly active users, it creates an entire ecosystem where you're not starting from scratch every time you want to create something new. And once the character is established, we move into the second stage of the workflow using Edit Pro. This is where things become much more interesting because we're no longer just generating images. We're transforming them. Instead of opening Photoshop, creating masks, and manually editing layers, I can upload the image and describe exactly what I want to change using natural language. For this example, I'm taking the original character and placing them inside a stylized open-world game environment complete with interface elements, menus, status bars, and environmental details. This is actually a much harder test than it sounds because it requires the model to preserve the character while simultaneously introducing completely new visual elements around them. Now, what impressed me most here is how well the character identity survives this transformation. The face remains recognizable, the hairstyle stays consistent, and the overall design language carries through the edit. At the same time, the environment feels significantly different from the original image. Another area where Edit Pro performs surprisingly well is text rendering and interface design. Now, historically, AI image tools have struggled with readable UI elements and structured layouts, but here the game-style interface remains organized and believable. It feels less like an image with random overlays and more like an actual game screenshot built around the character that we created earlier. The final stage is where everything comes together. After generating the character and refining the scene, it's time to animate it using PixAI v4.0 Preview. Now, this is the platform's latest image-to-video model, and it's specifically designed to maintain visual consistency while introducing motion. Anyone who has experimented with AI video generation knows this is often where things start to fall apart. A character might look great in a static image, but once motion is introduced, facial features drift, clothing changes, and continuity disappears. PixAI approaches this differently by using the image itself as a strong semantic reference. Instead of treating the image as a collection of pixels, it understands the character and scene that the image represents. I take that edited image, open the animation panel, select v4.0 preview, and describe the motion that I want. In this case, the character explores the game world, interacts with the environment, and moves naturally through the scene. One feature that I really like is the native voice capability. Rather than generating a silent video and then exporting into another application for audio, voice can be generated directly inside the same workflow. It sounds like a small feature, but when you think about how many separate tools creators normally need for image generation, editing, animation, and audio, keeping everything under one roof makes the process dramatically simpler. Now, when the final animation finishes rendering, the real payoff becomes obvious. Comparing the original generated image, the edited version, and the final animated clip, the character still feels like the same person through the entire workflow. The facial features remain recognizable, the visual identity remains intact, and the overall design consistency carries from the first prompt all the way to the finished video. That's ultimately what makes this workflow compelling. It's not just about generating a nice image or creating a quick animation. It's about maintaining continuity across every stage of the creative process. So, who is this workflow best suited for? If you're an original character creator, illustrator, or anime enthusiast, Tsubaki 2 gives you a strong foundation for creating characters that feel polished and intentional. If you're producing social media content, short form animations, or story-driven videos, the combination of Edit Pro and v4.0 Preview creates a complete pipeline from concept to final output. And if you're simply tired of juggling 5 different AI tools to accomplish one project, having generation, editing, animation, and voice inside a single platform is a major advantage. The biggest takeaway after testing the workflow is that PixAI feels less like a collection of separate AI tools and more like a connected creative ecosystem. You generate a character, evolve that character, animate that character, and keep the entire process consistent from beginning to end. And if you've ever struggled with character consistency across AI workflows, this is probably one of the most practical solutions currently available. The platform is free to try and includes daily credits, so you can definitely experiment with Tsubaki 2, Edit Pro, v4.0 Preview yourself, and see how the workflow fits your own creative projects. Thank you all for watching this video today, and I'll see you all in the next one.